Bonjour à tous. Hello, everybody. Aujourd'hui, c'est la leçon numéro 10. Today's lesson number is 10. Okay, let's see what we are going to do today. We are going to learn how to ask for food and drinks in French. It's a very important one because we all want to go to France and order some food, order some drinks, etc. So in order to do that, we will use very useful verbs like boire to drink, manger to eat, and we will use le conditionnel. Okay. So, allez, c'est parti, on attaque. Okay, well, to start, we will see a small dialogue. Bonjour, vous buvez quelque chose? Oui, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Et à manger? Je voudrais un croissant, merci. Okay, I repeat. Bonjour, vous buvez quelque chose? Oui, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Et à manger? Je voudrais un croissant, merci. Now here to notice the words voudrais, they are in conditional. That means would like to. Okay, so being more polite, we can use conditional in French. For translation, bonjour, you already know. Hello. Vous buvez quelque chose? Do you drink something? Oui, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Yes, I would like a coffee, please. Et à manger and something to eat and to eat. Je voudrais un croissant, merci. I would like a croissant, thanks. Okay, now here we have some key phrases to assimilate. You can see first we have is vous voulez, and tu veux. The original verb is the infinitive form of the verb is vouloir. That means to want. Vous voulez we can use to like when we have formal situation, and for the informal settings we can use tu veux. The meaning is do you want? Okay. Next we have is je voudrais. Je voudrais. I would like. For example, je voudrais un café. Je voudrais as un jus d'orange. I would like to have a coffee. I would like to have an orange juice. We can use the verb also after voudrais. Par exemple, je voudrais boire. Je voudrais prendre. I would like to drink. I would like to have. Next is s'il te plaît, s'il vous plaît. That we have done in the very first lesson, the salutation. Okay, s'il te plaît, please, informal, and s'il vous plaît, please, the formal. Okay, so now here we have some questions to practice. Remember, everybody, we talk about that almost every session. Questions are a key feature for your learning, for your learning curve. Friends, if you are able to ask questions and answer that question, that same question, your conversation skills are going to get way better, way faster. So, question to practice here we have, tu bois quelque chose? Quelque chose means something. Tu bois quelque chose? Informal. Vous buvez quelque chose? Do you drink something? To answer, we can say oui, un café, s'il te plaît ou s'il vous plaît. This is first way to answer. Or another way to answer that same question. Tu bois quelque chose? Oui, je voudrais de l'eau. I would like to have some water. S'il te plaît, please. S'il vous plaît, please. Formal, informal. Okay. Vous voulez à manger? Look very closely. If you ask, vous voulez manger, it means you want to eat. But if vous voulez à manger, to eat in French, we can skip like something, quelque chose. à manger, something, quelque chose, okay? À manger. But here we can skip quelque chose and we can go directly. So you can ask, vous voulez à manger? And we can also ask, vous voulez à boire? Do you want to drink something? And to answer that question, we will always use conditionnel. Oui, je voudrais un sandwich. S'il vous plaît. I would like to have a sandwich, please. Super, parfait. Alors, le vocabulaire, useful vocabulary. Uh, so first we have café, a coffee. Un jus d'orange, an orange juice. De l'eau, some water. Un thé, a tea. Un sandwich. Un croissant. Une pizza, une pizza. Okay, one more time. Un café, un jus d'orange, de l'eau, un thé, un sandwich, un croissant, une pizza. Okay, guys, it's time for the live exercise. Complete the sentence. Are you ready? Are you with me? Allez, allez, on attaque, c'est parti. So, first sentence is je blank un sandwich. Suis or voudrais. Second, vous blank un jus d'orange. Voulez manger et third one, vous voulez blank manger. On a dû. Okay, let's see. I hope you are ready with the answers. So, c'est quoi la bonne réponse? What is the good answer? Let's look at that. First is je voudrais un sandwich. Je voudrais un sandwich. I would like a sandwich. Second one, vous voulez un jus d'orange? Do you want an orange juice? And the third one is vous voulez à manger. You want to have something, you want to eat something. Okay. Great, guys. Now, like always, I want you to go to the Telegram group, download the vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciations PDF so you can practice a lot. Write as much as you can, record yourselves, share the audio in the Telegram group. Don't hesitate to ask your queries, your questions, and to share your answers, your opinions. Okay, you can well exchange your ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I see you for the next session. Salut, salut.